If it's Sunday, it's another day at the bins. Hooray! All right, so first thing up, Amsterdam. It's a little picture. It says pansy on the back, like a little piece of artwork. It's pretty flimsy. We can use it as a page. I found this cuteness. It's like a piece of art. Maybe it was like a banner. But I have a Asian inspired, what is it? It's an Asian inspired, I think it's a bag that I made into a junk journal. I think I'm going to cut this out and add it. Okay, next up. What are you going to use this for, your junk journal? Nothing. It's for me. It says Chas Grotsky Broadway at 22nd. I love a good wooden hanger. No more wooden hangers. No. Okay. All right, what else did we find? We found this atlas, which used to hold a track for a train. We're going to use it as a page. Has a pocket already in there. Love it. We also have, are you going to cut up this book? Cheesy decoding skills? Absolutely not. Are we going to use it for our students? Absolutely are. We have short vowel sounds, long vowel sounds. We have diphthongs. So we're going to make copies of that. So I brought that in to make copies. Okay, what else do we have? We have, this is a cute doll. You know how you're able to put on different clothes? Sisters are doing it, right? So I took all this out. I don't know if I'm going to turn this into, this will make a cute junk journal, actually. I don't know if I'm just going to use this to hold things or if I'm going to actually make a junk journal. Look at this African art. Love it. It's like African art everywhere. This looks like Matisse almost. Love it. We'll figure out something. We're going to do something with that. Absolutely. Now, somebody was into card making. And I guess they got tired of it. Because I found all these little bits. This says a happy hello. This is a lady under a flower with a child. This is an already made little tag. Another pretty little creation here. A lady with her child. I thought this was so cute. I love poppies. And somebody did this. And then I guess this is decoupaged onto a Scrabble piece. And then I really like the corners on there. So are we going to use it? Absolutely. Then I got this container. It was full of marbles. I didn't have any use for marbles. I put the marbles in in a wicker basket. And then I got all these little cute things as I was going through all the bins. Right? Like you can use these. Number 7. Whenever I see number 7, I'm going to take it. Chipboards. A lot of cards. I got this because eventually I want to do a Mario junk journal. More of those little cards. I'm going to use these for dangles. All these are going to be part of my dangles. I wish I had more room in my dangle jar, but I don't. That's showing me I need to use my dangles, right? I thought this was so cute, and apparently it holds cards. So, like, look at that. You put that on a desk. Look at that. It's so cute. And then we can always use these clips. And I love this container. It's Tupperware. So that's something. I'm going to be creating a Toy Story junk journal shortly. So I figured I have some coloring pages. I found these cute little clowns. Let me put those in this container. And what else did we find? Oh, look what we found. We Are Memory Keepers. Another guillotine. Guillotine. It's pretty sharp too. I have now 3 of these. 2 small ones. And this is pretty hefty. Nice. And a big one. Then I found this, because like I said, I want to do a Mario journal shortly. Then I found this cute thing. It's all chewed up, but I love that image. Greg typing. It's very chewed up. Linwood School. And I really like the pages that can be used for different things. Then I got a Sesame Street book because why not? We can always use a good Sesame Street book. And Sesame Street is always good with representation. So absolutely got that. And then I got this Casa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini because My Wi-Fi light bulb stopped working, so I figured that this might be something good to use when I get lazy to turn my light off. Alright, so that's what we got so far. If anybody likes anything, I'm happy to share. Just let me know. I have a lot of those cards from Disney. Just let me know. Like, comment, follow. I'm not very prudent on actually putting out regular content, but I'm gonna try. Alright, guys. Thanks.